Yeah, welcome back. Welcome back, students. Today we are going to learn division of a line segment internally and externally formulae. What is meant by that? Suppose there are 2 points given. That means uh, like this. Just I am taking an example. Here some 5, 6 is there, and here some 11, 13 is there. And here they are given you some point like that, some 7 and 8 comma 9. So here what is the meaning of this formula? What we are doing is, what is the ratio, what is the distance from here to here, and what is the distance from here to here, and what is the ratio. That means if this is 3, this might be 6. So like that, 1 is to 3, like 3 ones are 3 twos are, or if this is 7, this is something like that. What is the ratio? That we are going to do now. Once again, today we are learning a division of a line segment. Division of a line segment means we are dividing the line segment and we are finding the length. What is the distance from here to here and what is the distance from here? That ratio we are finding. So let us derive the formula, and after deriving formula, we will be doing word problems in the coming sessions, and also we will discuss today centroid formulae also. So in order to know this, what you need to know some basic rules, like similar triangles. You need to know the concept of similar triangles and right angle triangle concepts. If you know that one, then you can do this theorem very easily. So let us do it, students. So just keep keep graph sheet in mind. Keep that graph sheet in mind, then we can easily understand this one. So here this is a brief diagram. So here let this be x1 y1 and let this be x2 y2. Just now I told you some example like that, 8 comma or 5 comma 6, and this is something like 7, or this is like 10 comma 15 like that, and this one is something like 7 comma 8, and this m1 is some distance length and m2 is some distance. So we are deriving now formula. What is the ratio when 2 point coordinates are given and 1 coordinate is given? How to find the ratio? Simple, students. So let us solve it. This, let a be x1 y1 and b x2 y2. What you have to do is, and let c be x comma y. C be x comma y. So let us begin. Now my question is, from here to here, what you have done? X2 you have done. From here to here, what is the length? Already it is given x. So in order to know this one, what you have to do? Total minus total is this one. Suppose if this is from here to here 10 is there, from here to here 6 is there, like this. This is 6 and from here to here 10 is there. You want to know this length. What you have to do? Total is 10 centimeters. On the graph sheet, total is 10 centimeters and from here to here 6 centimeters. So I want to know this length. So if obviously 10 minus 6 will give this picture. So here also, from here to here it is x2, from here to here it is x. This coordinate is x. So I want this length. So it will be total minus this one. So if this is x2 minus x1, then obviously this length in the graph sheet, if you measure, this length will be also same. Next, from here to here total length is y2. From here to here total length, here it is clearly given y2, and from here to here what is the length? Y. Already it is given drawing. That means from here it is 20 and from here it is 7, something like that. 20 minus 7 will give this picture. So I calculate this total minus this is y2 minus y. So there ends. This is over, this is over. In the same way, let us calculate this one. What is given from 0 to here, that is the length x. From here to here, this is x1. So similarly, total minus this one will give, total is x, something like 8 centimeters, and from here to here 3 centimeters. 8 minus 3 is 5, no? So like that, same this one. Now from here to here, what is the total length? Y. So here clearly picture it is given y, so this also will be y, and from here to here y1 is given. So from here to here total length is y and this length is y1. So I want this length. Total is y minus y1 will give this picture, y minus y1. Are you getting? Is it clear? From here to here, once again I am saying this length is y, that means 10. From here to here this length is 7. I want this length. So 7 plus 3 equal to 10. So total is this one, y minus y1. So that's it. Now you have to compare these two. Compare these two triangles. If two angles, you need to know some similar triangle concept. If two angles are equal, then those triangles are said to be similar. Two angles are equal, then those triangles are said to be similar triangles. Similar triangle, not congruent. See, two angles here. This angle is equal to this angle. That means they are corresponding angles. They are lying on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal, and these two lines are parallel. So this angle is equal to this angle. Obviously, it is 90. Two angles are equal. We are comparing these two triangles. So triangle SBC is similar triangle TCA. Similar triangle concept. So take the ratio. The ratio will be always same. So what I got is SC. You can listen. You can look at here. SC x2 minus x1 by x minus TA. TA is x minus x1. Look at this picture carefully. Then we will get this one. Now we need to find out what is the value of m. So ratio and proportion chapter, x2 minus x by x minus x1 is equal to m1 by m2. Cross multiplication you do. So m2 into x2 minus x is equal to m1 into x minus x1. So m2 x2 minus m2 x1 is equal to m1x minus m1 x1. We want to calculate m1 value, we need to know. So you do simplification, you will get m is equal to sorry, x value we need to calculate, not m, because we are finding this x value already given m. So x value, what you will do, bring all x terms to one side and other terms to another side. Here only one variable is there, x2 m1 x, right. Here I think it's m2 x2 minus x1. Now bring this and bring this here, m2 x2 plus m1 x1 is equal to m1x plus m2x. Take x common, you will get m1 plus m2 into x. This write as this. Now you calculate, bring this here, you will get the x value. Are you getting this point? So is it clear? This graph sheet is clear, and I told how to take, how we will get the values. Then we go this. What you will get now? X value we will get m2 x2 plus m1 x1 by m1 plus m2 is x. Similarly, you find out y value. Just now I raised, from that you find out y value. Y value will be m2 y2 plus m1 y1 by m1 plus m2. That's how the section formula is derived. In the same way, if they ask for externally, point is divided externally, wherever plus is there, you will place it with minus. That's it. So this formula derivation is okay. Now problem. How they will give the problem? Find the coordinates of R. So formula is finished. Now let us do one problem. Find the coordinates of a point R if R divides two points are given. Just we are applying that formula. What is given here? 3 comma 2 given and 6 comma minus 1 given and 1:2. Ratio given as 1:2. This is written as x1 y1. This is x2 y2. We need to calculate here some point. So this is 1:2 given. Again I am reading the question. Find the coordinates of the point R, means this one. If R divides the joint, means this coordinate divides the joint 3 to some this rough sketch 3 2 and 6 minus 1 in the ratio 1:2. The ratio is also given. Ratio means just now we have divided formula, no? What is that formula? mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. In the same way that previously we have written m1 m2. In the place of m1 m2 I am writing m plus n, so that it becomes, you will not get confused. So simply replace, that's it. This is x1 3 comma 2 and this is 6 comma minus 1. Ratio given as, what is the ratio? m is to n is equal to 1:2. Simply you need to replace in this. So x comma y means you will get this coordinate. So m is 1. Just I am applying the formula here. M x2 is nothing but here x1 y1 x2 y2. mx2 6 plus n x1. N is nothing but here 2. x1 is nothing but 3 by m plus n. Next my2. M is nothing but here ratio given 1. y2 is minus 1 plus n is nothing but, what is given? N is 2. y1 is what? 3 by m plus 2. 6 plus 6 by 3 comma minus 1 plus 6 by this one calculation. 6 plus 6 is 12 by 3 comma 5 by 3. 4 comma 5 by 3. So that means here my2 m is 2, y2 is what? y2 is minus 1, is n. y1 is 2 here, not 3. So 2 2s are 4. Just make a note, this 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So 4 comma 1. So what's the meaning of this? 2 points are given. Now we have found the coordinate 4 comma 1 which divides this line segment in the ratio 1:2. That's how we did the previous theorem. Once again 2 points are given and we have to find the coordinate which divide this segment. Already given ratio, from here to here they measured the length and they found it as 1. From here to here they measured the length and found it as 2. So what are those coordinates he is asking? 4 comma 1. For 4 comma in the graph sheet, you remember the always when you are doing coordinate geometry you have to imagine the picture of graph sheet. On the graph sheet 4 comma 1 is there. That 4 comma 1 divide the line segment in the ratio 1:2 and therefore these are the points given. Like that you should solve the problem. That's it. And in the same way, if they give externally, what I told externally just now, if they give externally, you need to simply replace minus here, mx2 minus n1. That theorem I am not going to do, because same like previous theorem, how I proved, like that only, but external means point goes beyond that one. So that theorem, if you want, you can refer books and you can do it. Next, like this you can solve many problems, and we will do next what is centroid. Find the centroid of the triangle. They will give 3 points and they will ask you to find the centroid. So before doing the centroid, you need to know two simple basic things. What is meant by centroid? What is meant by median?